Good day everyone. Once again, this is June Carlo, your property consultant. Guys, if you are looking for ready for occupancy kung saan pwede na kayong lumipat or pwede nang malipatan or pre-selling project here at Mandaluyong near Makati, please continue to watch this video guys. So guys, I am here at our dress-up model unit sa Harbor Park Residences and this is your hallway guys. So napaka-spacious ng hallway at napaka-airy. As you can see, napaka-vibrant din ng colors. So, i-check natin yung dress-up model unit. Let's go. So, by the way guys, naka-keycard na po ito. So, we will use this one. So, lahat ng mga residents sa HBR ay magkakaroon ng keycard access per level. No? So, kung 24th floor ka, so yung keycard access mo is for 24th floor lang. Okay, so let's go. Ayan. So, let's open. And upon entry guys, you will be welcomed by your living and dining area. And of course, at your right side is your kitchen area. So, meron din tayong dito mga switches na na din, hindi na siya yung typical na switch, no? So, ito yun siya. Yan, so naka-touch lang. Yan, so let's open the lights. Okay. Ayun. So, this is your this is your kitchen area, guys. And, meron po tayo ditong circuit breaker. And of course, meron tayong intercom. So, if you need assistance, kung may mga bisita ka or delivery ka sa baba, so tatawag lang sa'yo ang receptionist to confirm your guest or to confirm your delivery. Alright. So, this is your toilet and bath. Ayan. Napaka-spacious, no? At ang ganda ng kulay. Napaka-vibrant. Okay, so kasama na din yung shower fixtures and also your sink. Yan, kasama na yun sa turnover. Nice. Okay, so moving on. So this is your living. Yan, living area and your dining area, guys. And this will be your bedroom, no? So pwede po itong studio type yung setup or pwede naman ding one bedroom yung setup kasi sa turnover guys meron po itong partition at saka meron ding sliding door, pero meron kang option kung bibili tayo nung pre-selling pa, pwede nating i-request na ipa-studio type yung setup niya. Okay? Ayan. So maganda din dito guys ay dahil meron ka pang, may window ka pa, so may window ka dyan para meron kang natural source of light and also kung gusto mong gusto mo mahangin, no? Pwede mong buksan and then meron ka din ditong meron ka din ditong balcony guys. So bubuksan lang natin. Ayun, palabas pala. Sorry naman. So this is your balcony guys. Yan, ganda, diba? So by the way, this is 24th floor. Yan, so ang view mo guys ay city view ng Mandaluyong. Okay? Alright, so guys, if you have questions or clarifications, comment down below, or kung gusto mong magpa-schedule ng tripping is every day. So kung gusto mo makita yung actual units, comment down below or call me through the numbers provided. So once again, this is June Carlo, your property consultant, helping you find your home.